Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, as this is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers of this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is actually very similar to the previous one. And the code is *#07#. And thanks to this code, we can check maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which on the other hand will be the easiest to remember. And the code is *#1234#. And as you can see, thanks to this, we can check the version, the firmware version. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which will open the hardware revision. So this code, the code for it is *#888#. And as you can see, we are in the engineering mode, so here we can check the PCB number, and also we can scan this QR code with another device and check some further details about this Oppo. So let's go back, and let me show you another code, which will open the phone software info. And the code for it is *#6776#. And as I said, we are in the software version, so here we can check the exact model and the Android version, baseband version, master date, brand version, and the PCB number again, build number, and so on. So let's get back, and let me show you another code, which will open the Diagnostics. And the code for it is *#426####. And as I said, we are in the Diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected, or signer level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view, just tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see, right now we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. So let's get back, and let me show you another code, which will open the calendar info. And the code for it is *#225###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So basically, this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. So let's go back, and let me show you the last code, I believe, which will open the feedback menu. And the code for it is *#800#. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. And here we've got the feedback menu. Basically, the whole idea of this mode, of this menu, is to report some problems. So if you've got some issues with, for example, the overheating, as you can see, the phone calls, the Wi-Fi, for example, camera, touchscreen issues, sensors, and so on, you can report them. So let me pick, for example, screen. As you can see, we've got the option touchscreen issues. Let's tap. I highly recommend to tap on always allow, which means that you will allow your device to record the screen with the pointer location, and thanks to this, your device will simply catch the problem, so catch the area in which the touch do not work. I will show you. So as you can see, the screen recording is turned on. So let's tap on start. I don't want to restart now, so let me tap on continue. And as you can see here, we've got the capturing, which means that right now we can show what's the problem. We've got the pointer location also, so our device will simply record all of our touches. So let's pretend that this area does not work. If you will draw the line, then it will not appear right here. It will be, of course, recorded. After that, just tap on next. Your device will process the log, will save it, and you will be able to report it to the developer, and hopefully you will get some feedback. So maybe it will be repaired or something like that. As you can see, here you can check where the log has been saved. On the three dots icon in the right upper corner, you've got my feedback, and there you can check the logs which you've previously added. So actually, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.